Hello students, so today let us start with the new poem, The Shed. Here, the poem is about the shed. A shed is a small room that is away from the main house. It is located at the bottom of the poet's garden. It is in a worst condition. Whenever poet passes through it, he feels somebody is staring at him. His brother threatens him by saying that a ghost stays in the shed who hides himself under the rotten floorboards who may jump and attack on the poet. In fact, there is no ghost inside the shed. His brother tells him lie to keep the shed for his den. At last, the poet overcomes his fear by saying that he will enter the shed one day soon. So, a shed is a small room. Do you know what is a shed? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed. You have heard these things many times. So, a shed is a small room that is away from the main house, which is used for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, and vehicles. So, ask your friend if he or she has ever seen a shed. So, let's start with the poem. There's a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and listen. I will open that door one day. So, here the poet is saying that there's a shed at the bottom of their garden, and outside the door there is a spider's web that hangs across the door. The hinges, the metal thing that joins the door with the wall, those are called as hinges. These hinges are rusty. They are rusty, and whenever there is a wind they make a creaky sound. And whenever the poet is in the bed, he listens that one day he will open the door. There's a dusty window, old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me each time that I pass. I will peep through the window one day. So now he is talking about window. There is a dusty window full of dust around the side of the shed, and there are 3 cracked panes, 3 cracked glasses on it. And whenever the poet passes through it, he feels that someone is staring at him. And then he thinks that one day he will peep through this window. He will look through this window. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. But I will take a peek one day. So the poet's brother says him that there's a ghost inside the shed, and who is hidden under the rotten floorboards, the floorboards which are very old now. He is hidden under it, and if the poet ever dares to go inside, that ghost will jump on him and cut off his head. But still the poet says that I will take a peek one day, I will go inside one day. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lie to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when. I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. So then the poet says that he knows there is no ghost inside it, and the brother is telling his lie so that his brother can use his shed. He knows that there is no one inside staring at him or making those strange noises, and even the spider is not there on the spider web. He is gone away even before the poet could know. And then he decides that he will go into the shed one day soon, but not right now because he is frightened right now, but he will overcome his whatever he is afraid of, and then he will go inside. This poem is written by Frank Flynn. Thank you.